Hey friends, this is MrsVolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and the pins are down. I don't know how well you can see it, folks, because I can barely see it. But way over there, right there, that little spot of orange is the stake. And before, when those apple trees were not on my property, there, if you can see the barbed wire there, that was never our property, but it is now where that barbed wire is. And now it goes all the way. Where is it? I want to make sure I get it. All the way. You see that little orange stake there? That's the other corner of my property. And all of this now, all the way up to the road, along that barbed wire fence, all the way back to that wee, tiny, where is it? Orange stake, way back there. Way back there. We now have room to maneuver. Yes! This is the MrsVolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying I will show you more detailed pictures, and Papa will take the actual video camera out this weekend and walk the perimeter for you. All right? Take care. God bless.